Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Nissan Qashqai. So this car comes with full service history and features a lovely panoramic glass roof. You get keyless entry, 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen features sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. But on top of this, you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car has two previous owners, has the 1.2 litre petrol engine that gives you 113 horsepower, it's got a 6-speed manual gearbox that's done under 37,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.